Okay guys, so may problema tayo dito. A car travels, zoomin mo dito. Car travels 20 kilometers per hour faster than a truck. The car covers 350 kilometers in 2 hours, less than the time it takes the truck to travel the same distance. What is the speed of the car? How about the truck? Okay, so meron tayo ditong speed na pinag-uusapan. Speed, time, and distance. So we need to be reminded of the relationship between speed, time, and distance. We always remember D equals RT. Distance is equal to speed times the time. Yan ang gagamitin natin dito. Ngayon, we have, this is a car, and this is the truck. Yung car, merong specific speed na hinahanap natin. What is the speed of the car? Speed of the car should be x. Let natin. Tawagin natin x. Ang speed of the car. So at x speed, it moves to one direction. Meron naman yung truck. Yung truck ay, it says, the first sentence, a car travels 20 kilometers per hour faster than a truck. So it should be moving at a lesser speed than the car. So x minus 20. So x minus 20 be the speed of the truck. Okay. And then we need to represent the time. So ang time dito, yung sa x, tawagan na lang natin, it takes y hours to get to the destination. So y is time it took for the car to travel. Sabi sa problem, they both traveled 350 km. And then, yung truck will take an additional 2 hours compared sa car, obviously, because it's slower. So, y plus 2. Ang time it takes for the truck to travel 50 kilometers. Okay. So for the car, again, remember, speed times time. Speed niya is x, time niya is y, is equal to 350. Okay? Same kay truck. Ang speed niya is x minus 20. Time niya is y plus 2. So that is also equal to 350. They are both equal, so we can equate xy equals x minus 20 times y plus 2. Okay. And then we can use the FOIL method for the right-hand side. Copy the left-hand side. First, xy, outside plus 2x, inside minus 20y, and then last, minus 40. Then let's transfer all of them to one side. xy minus xy minus 2x plus 20y plus 40 equals 0. Okay, xy minus xy is just 0. And then we'll be left with negative 2x plus 20y plus 40 equals 0. Now, since we're looking for the x, we should change this to y so that we can represent it later. We can substitute it later. Okay? So, gawin natin y ito. 20y isolate natin equals 2x minus 40. Okay. Divide tayo by 20, both sides. 20 divided by 20 is 1, so y equals 2x divided by 20 is 1 over 10x. And then 40 divided by 20 is 2. Okay, so yan yung y natin. Substitute natin yan sa xy equals 350. So x times 1 over 10x minus 2 is equal to 350. Substitute, diba? Yung y magiging 10x minus 2. Then, distribute yung x. We'll have x squared over 10 minus 2x equals 350. Ayaw natin sa denominator, so we'll multiply both sides by 10 para mas madali. This will be x squared minus 20x equals 35. We can transfer the 35 sa kabila. X squared minus 20x minus 3,500 equals 0. There are many ways you can do this. At ang isa doon ay getting the quadratic formula. X is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Substitute the values, positive 20 kasi negative 20, so positive 20 plus or minus square root of b squared is 400. Again, it will become positive kasi negative 20 times negative 20 is equal to 400. Minus 4 times a is just 1. C is negative 3,500. So, multiply na natin yung 4, 3,500. Negative times negative is positive. So, plus 3,500, 7,000. Double is 14,000. All over 2 times 1 is just 2. Equation 20 plus or minus square root of 14,400. 14400. That is 120 pag kinuha mo yung square root. All over 2. So, yun yung x. X sub 1 is 20 minus 120 over 2, which is equal to negative 50. X2 is equal to 20 plus 120 over 2, which is 140 over 2, 70. Now, we are looking, this x, remember, is the speed of the car. So, the speed of the car cannot be negative kasi it will be going the opposite direction. So, we remove this one. This is not part of our option. We reject and accept 70. So, the car was moving at a speed of 70 kilometers per hour. Now, what about the truck? The truck is just x minus 20. So, it's moving at 50 kilometers per hour. Final answer, sulat nyo na lang. The car was moving at a speed of 70 kilometers per hour while the truck was moving at a speed of 50 kilometers per